Hey guys, Danny here, hope you're all doing well. Today we are reviewing a pair of headphones. These were sent to me for review, and as always, if you'd like to pick them up, you can find a link down below. The last product I reviewed from this company did cause some confusion because the price changed shortly after I reviewed the product, which was a little bit strange. So I just want to say at the time of reviewing this product, it's currently listed at $120, which is about £90 when converted to my currency. So just bear that in mind when I'm reviewing this product. If it's a different price when you see this review, then of course my opinion may seem a little bit harsh, as when I reviewed their last product, the price was way higher and then it mysteriously dropped after I submitted my review. So please just bear that in mind. When I first unboxed these headphones, there were two things that surprised me. One was how light they were, and the second was how cheap they felt for the price. Now, when I say cheap, the build quality doesn't feel too bad. When I extend the headphones and fold them, they feel okay, but the finish on the plastic just feels quite cheap for their £90 price point. I was expecting a little bit of a higher quality finish, but in terms of their sturdiness, they felt okay from that aspect, but it's just their look and finish for a slightly higher costing headphone to what I'm used to reviewing. I just thought they would have a slightly higher quality finish, but they do come with a nice case. They also come with your charging cable and an audio jack as well. From a design standpoint, you can see they've gone with a pretty safe bet, keeping these all black with a matte finish, and they do look quite boring. This is the kind of style I would normally go for, as they are quite low key, but for those of you that want something a little bit more flashy, then these may not be for you, as they don't seem to be offering any other styles or colors at the moment. As someone who wears glasses, it can be quite difficult for me to find headphones that are comfortable while also wearing my glasses, as often they have a tendency to push the rims into the side of your head, which can be quite uncomfortable. But these ones have really nice soft padding, which is quite thick. So these were one of the most comfortable that I've used for a while. The headphones are very simple to pair, as you'd expect like any other Bluetooth product nowadays. You simply put them into pairing mode by turning them on, and then you can connect to them with your Bluetooth device. One small detail I did really appreciate is once you have them paired, these headphones connect very quickly, normally in about a second. So from when you switch them on to when you get listening to your music, you have virtually no delay, whereas some other Bluetooth products that I've used in the past, even quite expensive ones, had a 5 to 10 second connection time, which did seem a little strange. So this is a small detail that I have come to appreciate when using Bluetooth products. On the right side of this device is where all of the buttons are placed. You have your power button, your two up and down volume buttons, and also your noise cancellation button. I thought the placement of these were fine, except the power button, which is on the opposite side to all of the others, and I found that the hardest to get used to. Using these buttons, you can pause and play your music, skip tracks, answer calls, and more. Active noise cancellation, like most headphones I've used before, was a little bit of a disappointment. It did seem to take the edge off background noise ever so slightly, but if there was any noise close to you or around you, it didn't really seem to make much difference, from my experience at least. Now, I've never actually tested noise cancellation on pretty expensive headphones. As I understand, it can be quite impressive, but on these at least, it didn't really seem to make a huge difference. I'm pleased to report I didn't notice any latency issues when watching videos or gaming, and I also had pretty good experiences when using the audio cable, even when the headphones were powered off. On some products I noticed a dip in quality or a reduction in volume level, but while using the audio jack, even with the headphones powered off, I personally couldn't tell any difference. If you're after a pair of headphones that can be used for calls also, I don't think you'll have any problems with these, as when making calls, the quality seemed very good for both me and the person on the other end. We could both hear each other very clearly, and the volume went loud enough that I didn't have any issues there either. I did attempt to capture some footage of me exercising with this product, but unfortunately I didn't realize until I got to the editing stage that for some reason my camera stopped recording about 10 seconds after I started it. So this is all I captured, but these did feel pretty comfortable to use while exercising. They felt a little bit more unstable than some other headphones I've used, but I think unless you're doing extreme exercise, you won't have any problems with them. And with up to 24 hours of playtime and less than 1 hour to fully charge, you'll easily get through a whole day using these. Even after hours of usage, they still showed as having 100% battery via my Bluetooth menu, so battery life shouldn't be an issue. Overall, I think these headphones are a pretty solid product, but my concern is they do seem to be at quite a high price point for what they are offering. Now this is going to be based on your opinion of the audio quality, as ultimately that's what matters, and I often do warn people this is not an audio specific channel, so I would definitely recommend checking out some other reviews to get a second opinion. But for me, I didn't find them that impressive, but I did find them reliable, comfortable, and easy to use. So if the price isn't an issue for you, I don't think you'll have any regrets on picking these up. As always, if you'd like to pick up this product, you can find a link down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.